2025 football kits. At number 15, we have Newcastle. Believe me, Newcastle has one of the best. Number 14, we have Napoli. Napoli has one of the best kits in this 2025 season. And at number 13, you believe me and say Aston Villa is a way to go at number 13. Trust me, they have one of the best home and away kits. Then at number 12, we have PSG, Paris Saint-Germain. You tell me and believe me that they have one of the best kits this season. Beautiful kit. Then we have at number 11, Everton. Whoa. At number 10, we have Bayern Munich. Beautiful. And at number 9, we have Barcelona. I know many people will contest to this. Then at number 8, we have Fulham. Then at number 7, we have Atletico Madrid. Beautiful kit. Then at number 6, we have AC Milan. At number 5, we have Tottenham. Wow, what a beautiful kit. Beautiful one. Beautiful. Then at number 3, we have the incredible Manchester United. Manchester United's kit always come beautiful. Then at number 2, we have Real Madrid. Madritas. Number 1, we have the best Chelsea. Up Chelsea.